I was sent this adjustable rolling laptop desk to try out, so let's open it up. Anytime I want to put anything together, I make sure I take out all the parts, like to lay everything out, get all of the little nuts and bolts and everything. So this comes with everything that you need, even comes with the Allen wrench if you don't have one. So first thing I'm going to start with is this support. So I'm going to screw this in, and then it'll actually end up being screwed into the desktop next. Now we're going to attach that to the actual desktop. So you can see everything fits together perfectly. You'll see where all the screws go. You're just going to tighten that down next. Next thing is the caster wheels. So it comes, you just screw them in, and you'll see there's a little wrench provided, and that will tighten it up. The two back wheels will lock down, so that way if you're, not wanting to move around on you, you can lock it down as well. Now we're going to attach the base to the pole, and again, I flipped the whole thing upside down. Now that will get tightened down as well. Here it is assembled. My husband's going to use it as a, obviously, a laptop. So let's do the pedal. So click the pedal on the left, and then it'll raise up. And then you can click it again and push it down. It's like a hydraulic. So it works really good. Now they are locking caster wheels, so you can move it around and then you can lock it. So let's show, moves around really easily, and then perfect, you can lock it. So I love it. What do you think? You think that's going to work for you?
That's great.
All right, awesome. Go check it out. I love it.